Letitia James seeks dismissal, claiming Trump's personal vendetta behind charges. In a bold move, New York Attorney General Letitia James told a federal judge that the criminal case hanging over her is nothing more than the culmination of President Donald Trump's long-standing personal grudge. Her legal team filed a motion to toss the two-count indictment stemming from a 2020 mortgage, labeling the prosecution both vindictive and selectively enforced. The filing accuses the Justice Department of acting as an extension of Trump's revenge, turning due process guarantees upside down. To back their claim, James' attorneys compiled hundreds of Trump statements, social media posts, and remarks from other officials that paint a picture of sustained animus. They also warned that if the court refuses to dismiss, it should compel the government to produce all related evidence and set a hearing date. The indictment alleges James falsified information about a Norfolk property to secure a more favourable mortgage rate, charges she denounces as baseless while maintaining a not guilty plea. Adding another layer to the battle, James is contesting the legality of Lindsay Halligan's appointment as U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, a role Trump handpicked after the prior attorney resigned under pressure. A hearing on that challenge is slated for next week, running parallel to a similar suit filed by former FBI Director James Comey. The feud between James and Trump stretches back years, originating from her investigations into his real estate empire, which culminated in a civil suit that initially forced Trump to pay over $350 million. Though an appeals court upheld the liability, it stripped the judgment of the amount, leaving both parties still at odds. James' lawyers argued that Trump's repeated public calls for her prosecution serve as direct evidence of political retaliation, and they criticized the Justice Department for not pursuing comparable mortgage cases against other Trump allies. The AG is also fighting a separate subpoena in a DOJ probe into alleged civil rights violations by her office, asserting that the subpoena is retaliatory and issued by an improperly appointed attorney. This multi-pronged legal offensive underscores a wider contest over whether the federal government can be wielded as a tool for personal vengeance.